Have you ever wanted to learn Spanish? Well, now's your chance.
Hola, mi nombre es Grace.
Hi, I'm Grace and welcome to X Geo. Here we schedule easy, straightforward video lessons to become fluent in Spanish. We've found the best way to gain fluency in a language is to listen, speak, read, then write. Our free step-by-step videos will allow you to gain fluency in Spanish. Within this program, we've broken our daily lessons into 3 sessions. Each day we provide you with a list of daily vocabulary. This is then followed by sentences that utilize those vocabulary words. Finally, we put those vocabulary words and sentences into real-life conversation that you can follow. On the screen now you'll find a link to start your vocabulary lessons. Click the video link and let's get started. Be sure to subscribe and ring the bell to be notified when we publish our word of the day.
Asegúrese de suscribirse. Gracias.